Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is comfort zone and poison. My granny used to tell us a story. Perhaps you also know the story. A baby elephant and a rope. A baby elephant was tied with a rope and he tried hard to escape from that rope, but he couldn't. He grew up slowly, but in his mind that rope was there. He thought he wouldn't break free from the rope. That's why he didn't try. And that rope became his comfort zone, and he spent all his life in that limited comfort zone. This is the same thing happening in our human life. We are limiting ourselves to our limited belongings, our limited comfort zone. Actually, we have already compromised our life to stress, strain and suffering. But human being is not meant for that. Human being should understand his infinite capabilities, infinite potential. Still you have time to break free your comfort zone status quo. Please try to understand the value and meaning of transcendental field, the field of infinite possibilities, the building block of all the existence and creation, and implement it in your life. Then you will see your life will be phenomenal. Not only your life, the existence will be different to your perception. For our forthcoming seminars, webinars and workshop, please stay tuned with us. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.